Now that you've completed all of your simulation trials, it's time to input and complete our class data. Today we're going to be using two tools, Google Forms and Spreadsheets, in order to complete that. So first you'll need to open and complete the Google form that I emailed to you, and it should look something like this. In order to properly fill it out, you're going to first need to identify yourself by first and last name. And now you're going to see that the remainder of the form lists the possible number of children your trials could have resulted in. In each of these input boxes you need to submit the correct frequency from your trials. For example, Jane Doe had 6 families of 1 child, 2 families of 2 children, 1 family of 3 children, 1 family of 4 children, and for all the other ones she simply submits a 0 since she had no other trials. The remaining box allows you to input any additional trials that took more than 10 flips, although unlikely I left it there in case. Lastly, hit Submit. The great thing about Google Forms is that once you submit your form, it automatically updates to the corresponding spreadsheet in Google. And it's going to look something like this. Really useful tool in order to organize your data. So first, we're going to then input a chart. And for our intents and purposes, we're going to need a histogram. So we're going to first select the appropriate range of cells. In this case, we won't need to include the timestamp or name cells from the first and second column, so we'll remove those. After this, we have an option to select the charts that we would want. In our case, like we said, we need a histogram. We're going to select the stacked histogram so we can see all of our students' data in one location. After this, the customization is really up to you. The Customize tab will allow you to title your chart as well as label your vertical and horizontal axes. For our chart, we're going to give it a title name of Population Trials, and then we're going to label our vertical axis frequency, and then for our horizontal axis we can label it number of children. Now we can insert this chart, and it gives us another tool in order to analyze our class data, and actually is going to help us to make predictions about how this population control method will work over time.